For millennia, China stood as a global beacon of culture. But by the early 20th century, the nation faced its darkest hour. The century of humiliation brought foreign intervention and internal collapse, leaving the once mighty empire in a state of fractured chaos. As the Qing dynasty crumbled, a new generation of intellectuals and students began to seek a path toward national salvation. In 1921, within a humble brick house in Shanghai, the spark of the Communist Party was quietly ignited. These secret meetings laid the groundwork for a movement that would eventually mobilize the vast heartland of the country. The revolution found its true strength in the rural villages, where millions of peasants yearned for land reform and dignity. Hand-painted revolutionary posters began to appear on mud walls, signaling a shift in the consciousness of the working class. But the path to victory was fraught with hardship. The Long March became an enduring symbol of resilience against impossible odds. Crossing treacherous marshes and freezing peaks, the Red Army forged a bond with the people that could not be broken. During the years of resistance against foreign invasion, guerrilla tactics and local coordination proved the effectiveness of people's warfare. By 1949, the tides had turned. The dream of a sovereign, united China was finally within reach. On October 1st, at Tiananmen Square, the People's Republic of China was officially proclaimed to the world. The air was thick with emotion. Tears of joy and cheers of hope echoed as a new chapter of history began. The focus then shifted to state building. From the ruins of war, the nation began the monumental task of industrialization. Workers across the country were mobilized, pouring their sweat and resolve into the first steel mills and power plants. Decades of rapid growth followed, as China transformed from an agrarian society into an industrial powerhouse. Modernization reached every corner, bringing high-speed rails, advanced technology, and a dramatic rise in the standard of living. Today, the skylines of Shanghai and Beijing stand as gleaming glass monuments to the nation's incredible transformation. From the secret meetings in 1921 to the global influence of the present day, the journey of modern China is a testament to endurance. As the nation looks toward the future, it carries the echoes of its past, a legacy of revolution, struggle, and rebirth.